Would you like to create content at home, but you feel like your space is just not perfect for filming? Today, you guys, I want to show you a few of the spaces in my house that I have designed specifically for creating content. If you did not know, I am a former interior designer, so I love beautiful spaces. I'm only gonna show you guys a few of the spaces, but one space is a bonus. It is my creative space and it is a 3-for-1, so stay tuned for that. If you do not know me, I am Cher Allen, and I train thousands of agents every year to scale their business by using their personal brand and leveraging social media. So let's go and see the rooms that I created specifically for filming. The first space I'm going to share with you guys is my dressing/workout room. In this space, I absolutely love it because I put these cabinets together. These are IKEA cabinets. There are 3 cabinets in one. These beautiful mirrors I had from my previous master bedroom. And this is where I am going to create content for my workout. So I'm gonna show you guys how I come in here in the mornings and I do yoga. And it's just a great space because it's a peaceful space. So I do my workouts in here. Here is some of my jewelry, as well as my clothing rack I picked up on Amazon. I think I'm gonna leave the links for all of these things, you guys. But I use this space for getting dressed. I come in here every morning and try on clothes. And it's just a perfect space to get dressed every day. Okay, so the next space is my bedroom. And if you guys follow me, you know that I DIY'd this room over the holidays. I did everything in this room. I painted the walls, I hung the curtains, as well as I put this bed together. I added handles to the closet doors. And you guys, I'm still not sure about the art above my bed. That's why you see this sign just kind of leaning. This actually says, "I love you" in French. This is the space. I can actually stand over by the plant and film a video there as well. This chandelier, I had to have someone hang it because the fan that was in there that was just way too heavy, but I'm gonna leave the link so you guys can see the video of me DIYing this space. So I'm gonna use this as a day in a life. The next space is my creative space. And this space, you guys, I love. This is the 3-in-1 space. This is where I film my talking head videos, sitting in this chair and the camera facing me. And this here is some of the accessories I have on the desk behind me. I still need something in between right above the computer, but I have not added that yet. I have to come up with something super cute. But I hung these curtains, all of these things, you guys, I've already had. I didn't go out and buy anything. I had these things. The next wall is going to be a place where I can stand to create video content. I've had these frames for about 10 years. I have about 40 or 50 of them. I'm going to use them, but I need to decide what kind of art. Okay, you guys, the last wall is going to be a pool noodle wall. This is going to be the wall where I am going to have fabric over the pool noodles. And as you guys can see, this is just my space. The 3 walls, this room is not that big, but as you can tell, if you have a room in your house, you can turn it into a creative space. You can come up with 2 or 3 different walls to create content. And you guys, I'm going to create a video to show you all of my equipment that I use, my Sony camera, this huge light, as well as all of the ring lights that I have and all of my tripods. So that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this highly requested video. I always get DMs from agents asking me about the spaces that I film in, and I want to know about your spaces in your house. Do you guys have any spaces in your house that you've created or you're thinking about creating to film content? If so, I would love to see your spaces. When I was designing my creative space, I had a hard time finding videos, photos of anyone else's space. So I thought it would be a great idea to just go ahead and share my space. Hopefully it is useful for you guys. If you have any questions, leave them below. But if you have a space that you've designed for filming, tag me. I would love to see it. And if you're a real estate agent and you would like my social media starter pack, leave a comment below and I will leave the link so you can grab that. It's a freebie. Also, I love helping real estate agents. So if you're an agent and you need help with your business, leave a comment below or schedule some time on my calendar. I would love to find out more about you and your business and how I could possibly help. Again, I am Cher Allen with eXp Realty, and thank you guys for watching. Okay, bye you guys.